Ma and Shan WILA CNC Machine Tools Company Limited was founded in 2017. WILAMAC is a professional company and export metal sheet processing machine tools in world market. Its brand WILAMAC has been leading brand for many years in the field of international metal sheet equipment. Our main products are CNC press brake, metal sheet shearing machine, rolling machine, punching machine, fiber laser cutting machine, and etc. We are located in Ma and Shan City, Anhui Province, which is just 30 kilometers to Nanjing Lukou Airport and 300 kilometers to the Shanghai port. Our cooperation factory owned 6,000 square meters workshop, which was applying the advanced technology from Germany, Japan, and America, and equipped with advanced vertical and horizontal machining centers from USA, and have 14 meters large floor boring and milling machine with professional and well-training workers and engineers, which can produce high level and quality of CNC fiber laser cutting machines, press brakes, and shearing machines. WILAMAC also provides the installation, commissioning, training, after-sales service abroad. Our company's equipment sold worldwide. We can provide the customized machines according to the client's demand. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We look forward to your visit. Thanks.